This is one of the very first tricks that I learned to do as a young magician. Okay, now if you like this trick, please press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and hit that like button as well. That will help the channel out tremendously and help me to do more videos like this. Okay, so how do you do the pulling the finger off trick? Well, here's what you need. You need two Sharpie pens. You need a red Sharpie pen and a black Sharpie pen. And first of all, you take the red Sharpie pen and you start to colour in just here on the knuckle of your finger. Make it look like real blood by putting drips of blood down the bottom here. Then take a black Sharpie pen and start to fill in a bit more detail just here on the knuckle to make it look a little bit more gross. And if you bend your finger like that, it looks like the end of your finger has been pulled off. So here's how you do the trick. First of all, let this bit dry out completely. And then when you've done that, you do it like this. You hold your hand facing the audience first of all. You then take your other hand and you cover the finger like this. As you do that, you turn this hand over this way so the back is facing the audience. Once you've done that, you bend your finger in like this. And then you put your thumb down here and you start to move your hand around like this as if you're making the finger come loose. Then you just suddenly pull it off like this, look at the finger in a shocked manner, and then put it back. And as you put it back, you then straighten your finger out, you turn the hand around this way, and then you reveal that your finger's back intact. Isn't that simple? It's simple, effective, and amazing. So if you like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.